Hi all, thought I'd play another game today. Bit addicted at the moment to the auto pairing. So 2170 I've come up to. I'm playing TacticFreak. Let's play Bishop B5 then if he's tactical, because this is more positional against this Sveshnikov type systems. I got a castle here. And here, let's see, is E5 any good straight away? I wonder. Queen F3. Now Bishop C4, very subtle threat of Queen takes F7 mate. Right. I wonder. If I took on E6, I think the Bishop on G6 is a bit stuck. It would have to come out via G6. But that's adequate, so maybe I'll just play D3 here. Maybe knight D2 to E4 looks comfortable for white. Do I want to play Bishop F4 though? Maybe let black take that bishop. I'm trying to overprotect the E5 square. So overprotection is a sort of Nimzovich concept where if your pieces, are in contact with a square like E5, that they gain strength. I think B3 is okay in this particular position, as long as my bishop's not going to get stranded with a layer B5. So anyway, if I can overprotect E5, the pieces will gain in strength. And there was a really sarcastic annotation of Nimzovich, not by Nimzovich, but sort of taking the mickey out of overprotection, where Nimzovich managed to win, but it wasn't that convincing that it was the overprotection strategy. Let's sack the C2 pawn. If knight A3 to C4, it looks. Then I can overprotect E5 with my knight on C4. So this is obviously in the grand overprotection scheme to sack the C2 pawn to be able to play knight A3 to C4, overprotecting E5 even more. But also, I wonder if bishop takes B7 there should have been considered. Yeah. Okay, knight C4. I'm still threatening bishop takes B7 anyway. I wonder if have I just lost the piece? I've got Queen F4, I suppose. It's not very pleasant. I wonder about Queen E2 and Knight D6 though. Okay, that's a bit of a shame, losing that bishop. So here, will I get time for F4 or Rook E1, I wonder, or A4? A4 would be useful. Nope. Okay. Come to F3 to overprotect E5. I've got to be concerned about getting mated on G2 here now. So F3 might be needed if Bishop B7. Okay, F3. Right, another little tactic on this pin. So he is tactical. Knight E4 though, or Rook. Okay, I think Rook here actually. Right. Can I sack the Queen? E takes. Sacking the Queen. Rook takes E7 check. I'm not really convinced actually, even by my standards of sacrifices. So maybe just, I don't know, Queen G4. Queen G4, I wonder. F takes E. Looks like I'm doing quite badly here. In fact, F takes check. I don't know, maybe FG7 would be good. Am I going completely mad? Probably. F takes. Sorry, E takes, Queen takes, Rook takes E7, King D8, FG7, King takes. No, I don't think I can waste time on that anymore. It's just, I think a move like Queen G4, a normal, rational move. Queen G4. And just try and loosen Black's King's position now if he's going to castle Kingside with H5. So it's a bit dire, this turnout. He's certainly made the e5 point very, very solid. So now I'm trying to just change plan, go for the king attack. Can I weaken the king or e5 a little bit at least? So if I go queen h3 or queen g5, I don't want another tempo loss to bishop f6. Right. So can I try and double an e5? I've been really pushed around here in this game with tactics, it's got to be said. But he's still got double pawns and some issues, you know, maybe with king safety. So if I can just double my rooks on the e5 pawn. I don't think it matters about rook c8 and rook c2 if I can get doubled rooks. Alright, h6, a dangerous potential pawn there. So he can't do bishop f6 because of queen f5, I assume. Now maybe queen h5. So give my opponent some threats to think about. Okay. Now what about just rook e2? So I'm trying to increase the pressure on e5. Right. So I might actually be threatening rook e5 here to return the tactical complements. If I can weaken, you know, play queen takes g5, it's going to be dangerous. So I don't know what he's doing now about e5. Is he going to play e4 or something? Okay. I think I'll play this because bishop takes e5 looks pretty strong to me. Or in fact, queen g5 first. Okay. Right. If I take the queen, play rook takes b5, bishop c6. Then am I losing a piece? Probably. I can't see anything that quickly here. Okay, maybe back to e2 is more prudent. Oh, I don't know. On the other hand, mopping up these pawns seems attractive, so I think I'll sack the knight. So bishop c6, I end up losing a piece. Great. This is a slightly bad turn of events. It's got to be said. But can I at least save my a pawn? Right. Okay. If I play b4, protecting c5. Rook a5. I wonder. I'm not really sure I'm surviving the rooks on the 7th. It's a bit of a shame. Bishop c7 here. Mind you, he's got e5 then. So I'm still in real trouble. Alright, I don't mind taking a pair of rooks off, considering the situation. Right, so bishop d5 is going to be strong. So maybe I'll just try and queen this pawn. If I can win some material back. Okay. e5. Good plan here. I'll drag this pawn up a bit more. Now, maybe a timely hope. Okay. That was useful. Winning the bishop. I think it's all over. Blimey. So of course a really convincing game there, where the overprotection strategy of course triumphed completely. Not. So what on earth happened here which made it a disaster tactically? But the knight was okay on e6. The first tactical issue was this b2 pawn. I don't know, maybe just knight d2, and if queen b2, maybe bishop b3. So here black's already threatening b5 pretty quickly. So by playing bishop d5, I've set myself up as a liability now for that bishop. Unless I play bishop takes b7 here, knight g5. Then again, you know, after knight g5, this is a bit dodgy. It was catastrophes from my end at the start of the game, and then at his end later on. I hope you enjoyed it. Please leave any comments on YouTube. Thanks very much.